We just wanted to thank everyone for helping us celebrate tonight. It means so much to us that each of you were able to make it. We're so appreciative of all the hands that helped make tonight so special. Thank you to our parents who have raised us and helped us grow to be the people we are today. Thank you to all of those that helped us set up, put together the beautiful centerpieces, build the wedding arch, arrange the flowers, fold the cranes, and so much more.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, bro, don't bulldozer over, okay? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Do you remember 21st night, September? Love was changing the minds between us while chasing the clouds away. Our hearts was ringing in the key that our souls were singing as we danced in the night. Remember how the stars stole the night away. Oh yeah.
What do you have to say for Cole and Tari?
I love you guys. Thanks for taking care of me, Mom and Dad.
Say something for Cole and Tari.
Congratulations on getting married.
Congratulations. I was there the night you guys got together, honey. Great shit.
We were all there.
Same everything. Yes.
How do you feel?
Same.
I'm married! Woo! How do you feel, Cole?
I feel amazing.
Incredible, amazing.
Yeah, happy wife, happy life.
Exactly, period. Period, Cole. You have to say to Tari and Cole.
Congratulations to many, many years to come. I wish you guys the best. Love, Sunshine and his tortoise.
Kiss each other every morning.
Cole, Tari, always kiss each other in the morning. Never go to bed angry. Visit family often. And remember the little things. Love, Tigo.
What do you want to say to the happy couple?
Tradition. A bonsai. Well, actually, I initially wanted to tell a story. Popped Cole out of the Kahala Hotel bare butt naked. but I'm about to tell that story. I won't. Shinro Shimpo Bonsai!
It's like I waited my whole life.
as you can. They need to hear us all the way at the top from below the rise. Make some noise. Louder!
Only blue talking love, remember.
Grab one bento on the way out, and we're going shore fire. Make plate, make plate. Make plate.
You soon to be continued.
Eat something. Oh, you soy.
昨日猫にランチをあげた。はい。
Going Yano talking Japanese might be the cutest thing ever.
It is, guys. I'm actually not gonna bring my camcorder out, so we're just gonna say goodnight.
Good night.
Okay. Good night. Good night. Congrats to Tari and Cole.
Signing off.